As Walt Disney says, I would rather entertain and hope people learn something than educate people and hope they were entertained. Good day everyone, I am Carlo C, Napoto, and I am here to show you our pitch presentation together with my team, the Studio Pyros. Now let us talk about the business model canvas for our company named Studio Pyros PH, a company that offers you a service about game development and animation. First, we have the customer segmentation, which are the group of people or companies that we are trying to target and offer our service to. The first input that we have here is diversified, because we are looking for diversified market which includes customer with very different needs. Second is the multi-sided market, meaning a two or more independent groups who need each other in some way. And then we have the value proposition, which is the building block of our business model canvas. Here, we represent the product and the service that we are going to offer to our valued customer. First is the performance that we give, showcasing a new level of game design and game development. That includes the game asset, UI design, audios, programming, and many more. Another is class and quality animation that can be used for commercials, advertisement, short films, and even animated movies. And last is the convenience and usability. We give you a service and a product that will surely meet different needs of our customers.
Now we go to channels. This is how we will communicate with and reach out to our valued customers. First is we have here our personal website where they can see and learn about the services that we offer. Second is social media platforms. It includes Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to name a few. And finally, through emails where we can allow our customers to be in touch with us. Now we go to customer relationships. In this section, our type of relationships we will have with each of our customers and how we will interact with them throughout their journey with our company. First is personal assistance, where we interact with the customer in person or by email, through phone call or other means. Another thing that we will have here is, as we mentioned earlier, our personal website and different social medias.
Next is revenue streams. Here we are to talk about the sources from which our company generates money. First are the asset sales, where we earn from the assets that we have that is being purchased by our customers. And then we have licensing, where customer pays to get permission to use the company's intellectual property. And then the usage fee, where we charge the customer for the use of our product or service. And lastly are the fees for any additional services. Now we go to key activities. The inputs that we have here are the activities, tasks that we have to be completed to fulfill our business purpose. First, we have the production. These are the designing, manufacturing, and delivering of product or service in significant quantities and or of superior quality. Another thing is promotions and business partnering. And lastly is the platform development and maintenance.
Here now are the key resources. These are the main inputs that we need to carry out our key activities in order to create our value proposition. The first input we have is human. These are the employees or persons that we need to carry out our key resources. Another input is intellectual. This refers to brand, patents, IPs, and copyrights. Next is financial. These include cash, lines of credit, and any financial support that we need to provide for another resource, which we are to talk about on our last input. Last is the physical. This includes the equipment and tools that we are going to use, such as high-performance computers, pen tablets, internet connections, and of course the building or workplace where the production happens.
Key partners. These are the external companies or suppliers that will help us carry out our key activities. These partnerships are forged in order to reduce risk and acquire resources. The inputs that we have here are the technical partners, advertisers, dev platform suppliers, and lastly, the investors. Finally, the cost structure. In this block, we identify all the monetary costs of operating our business. First are the development costs, second is the marketing costs, and then the employee salaries as compensation for the hard work of our co-laborers.
Now let's talk about specialization and division of labor. This refers to the segmentation of tasks with each of us focusing on a specific part of our production process. Now, let me introduce myself once again together with my team. I am Carlo C, Senior Producer, Audio Engineer, Scriptwriter, and Video Editor of Studio Pyros PH.
Hi, my name is Angel Rose Fernando, and I am the Creative Director, 2D Animator, Writer, Dub Artist of Studio Pyros PH.
Hi everyone, I'm Ray Vino, your System Architect, Senior Programmer, Animator, and Voice Actor of Studio Pyros PH.
Hi, I'm Adrian Joshua Esguerra, Technical Artist, Animation Programmer, Voice Actor, and Associate Producer of Studio Pyros PH.
What's up everyone? I'm Patrick Zapata, Art Director, Character Designer, Animator, and 3D Designer of Studio Pyros PH.
Under its conflicts encounter, first, to give it a short definition, conflict is a clash of interests, values, actions, views, or directions, while in terms of us, it's about business. Fortunately, us here in Studio Pyros PH, we are happy to tell you that there is no conflict that is yet to occur as of now. Having the same passion and love for the things that we do helps us to be more intact as a team and push to our goals as one. But if there is any case that conflict will arise, such as differences on our goals, role ambiguity, or different marketing and strategic approaches, we are more than willing to resolve and handle it because we know that it is for the benefit of the whole team and for the betterment of our business. So to put this presentation to a close, I just want you to leave this quote by Phil Jackson that says, "The strength of the team is each individual member, and the strength of each member is the team." Thank you.